Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Asus ZenBook Duo AI-powered 2-in-1 laptop, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You guys, have you ever been searching for a laptop that can keep up with your most creative work? Something that can handle 4K video editing, Photoshop, or even gaming without breaking a sweat? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. The Asus ZenBook Duo AI-powered 2-in-1 laptop is here to shake things up. With its incredible performance and features, it's about to become your new go-to machine. So, who is this laptop for? For anyone who needs a reliable, high-performance device that can keep up with their busy work or personal life. Maybe you're a graphic designer, a content creator, or even a gamer. Whatever your need, the Asus ZenBook Duo AI-powered 2-in-1 laptop is ready to deliver. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this laptop worth the hype? Let's dive in and find out. One of the most exciting features of this laptop is its stunning 14-inch OLED touchscreen display. Everything on screen feels buttery smooth whether you're in a firefight or scrubbing through a timeline. The 1920 by 1200 resolution gives you crystal clear visuals, making it perfect for graphic design, video editing, and gaming. Another standout feature is the Intel Ultra 9-285H processor. This beast of a chip brings performance to new heights, handling demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're working on multiple projects simultaneously or switching between apps quickly, this laptop's got your back. And with its integrated graphics, you can enjoy seamless gameplay and video streaming. But what really sets the Asus ZenBook Duo AI-powered 2-in-1 laptop apart is its portability. Weighing in at just over 3 pounds, it's easy to take on the go or stash away in a bag when not in use. Plus, with its compact design, you can easily slip it into a backpack or purse. Of course, no laptop review would be complete without talking about day-to-day performance. In my experience, this laptop has been a dream to work with. The keyboard is responsive and comfortable, making typing a breeze. And with its 75-watt battery, you can enjoy all-day use on a single charge, which is pretty impressive considering the high-performance specs. That being said, I do have one complaint: the built-in webcam could be better. In low light, it can struggle to capture clear images, and it's not ideal for video calls or online meetings. However, this is a minor quibble in an otherwise excellent laptop. So, is the Asus ZenBook Duo AI-powered 2-in-1 laptop worth buying? In my opinion, if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance device that can keep up with your busy life, then yes, it's definitely worth considering. Whether you're a creative professional or just someone who wants a laptop that can handle everything you throw at it, this is an excellent choice. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.